If you want to customize the control center on Xiaomi 17, first of all we need to go to the control center, and then we're gonna scroll all the way down in order to find this edit button. Once you go over here into the editing section, then we should be able to decide which options should be accessible in the control center and which options should not be accessible. So in here, for example, if I want to remove something that I have in here, I can tap on this minus in the upper right corner. If I want to add something, we have these pluses in the upper right corner. So let's say I'm gonna add, I don't know, like this option over here. Besides that, we can press and hold our finger on a button that is, or a shortcut that is already added, and we can adjust its position. So you can relocate these options and you can organize them however you wish to. Besides that, at the top of these settings of these shortcuts, we can find this switcher over here, show icon labels in control center, which actually by default is deactivated. So when this option is disabled, you will not see any names. This is the standard option, but of course we can turn it on so that we can see the names of these buttons, so we don't have to guess by looking at these icons what these options are. And that is pretty much it. Of course, remember to use this check in the upper right corner in order to save your changes. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.